Let's put together this laundry hamper and talk about why I chose this one and what the most important features are. I was drawn to this sleek, simple, modern design and also really like the choice of the silver built-in handles on the sides. The hamper was already pretty sturdy from the get-go, but inserting this piece made it even more sturdy and secure. Another crucial feature for me is this optional lid, except in my home it's not going to be optional. I love that it keeps in odors of all of those stinky gym socks. The hamper comes with two removable and washable mesh bags. And what really sets this particular hamper apart compared to the other ones that you may see is that these bags are attached by Velcro, so they are not going anywhere. Some other brands, they do fall in, but these ones are secured on all four sides, so this really is a game changer for me. So just like that, super easy to put together, sturdy, and holds up so well. Highly recommend.